This is Dr. Ashwini Shinde, Head Electronics and Telecommunication Department, Nutan Maharashtra Institute of Engineering and Technology, Taregaon. Nutan Maharashtra Vidya Prasarak Mandal is a highly respected education society in the Mawal region with a legacy of 120 years. Nutan Maharashtra Institute of Engineering and Technology was established in 2008 with a commitment to provide quality technical education, ensuring ethical, moral, and holistic development of the students with a state-of-art competency, professionalism, and problem-solving skills to meet the need of the society and the industry. Engineering is not just about machines, applications, circuits, or construction. It is about improving lives. Engineers are the silent architects of the society, working behind the scenes to create a world that is safer, smarter, and more sustainable. Along with NBA and NAAC accreditation, I am glad and proud to say that NMIT has granted autonomous status, and the term autonomous often raises a question, but let me clarify here. It's a mark of excellence. Being an autonomous institute means that it has been granted academic independence from the University Grant Commission to design the curriculum with respect to the needs of the industry, conduct own exams so that there is transparency and academic precision, offer more flexible learning that includes elective subjects, interdisciplinary projects, and innovative learning drives. As this all ensures that our students are not just degree holders, but they are future-ready professionals. Here with the implementation of NEP 2020, which our students will be offered with the minor and the honor courses. Now coming to the branch of Electronics and Telecommunication. Electronics and Telecommunication is large and more sophisticated branches in engineering. Electronics and Telecommunication engineering is rapidly growing sector where there are excellent job opportunities for skilled professionals in different sectors like VLSI, embedded, image processing, IoT, machine learning, and even data science. Skill-based activities in different domains are conducted here through value-added programs, internships, professional clubs, industry visits, which give emphasis on soft skill and research-based activities. Electronics and Telecommunication has a major role in improving productivity in industries, such as embedded, VLSI design, image processing, roles in robotics, artificial intelligence, defense, and so on. Now let us come to the core electronics, where you might have been hearing about the semiconductors. Right now in India, it is expected to have at least one full-scale commercial semiconductor fab operation, producing chips for automotive, defense, and consumer electronics. India aims to become a self-sufficient in electronic components, especially in PCB designs, sensors, capacitors, and connectors. India has launched India Semiconductor Mission with 76,000 crore to build a self-reliant chip ecosystem. Companies like Micron, Tata Group, Tower Semiconductors have been setting semiconductor fabrications and ATMP, assembly testing, making, and packaging facilities. Demand for smartphones, televisions, wearables, home automation is skyrocketing. India is becoming the second largest mobile manufacturing country by volume. With this rapid digitalization, the demand of skilled ANTC engineers is only going to rise, where its 5G network, smart cities, electric vehicles, IoT devices are silent communicators. India's electronic system design and manufacturing industry is expected to rise up to 300 billion by 2026. Now let me talk about the future of electronics and electronics and telecommunication. The future is extremely promising. So the students of ENTC find career opportunities in the areas like core electronics like Intel, Qualcomm, Texas Instruments, and telecom giants like Jio, Airtel, Ericsson, etc. Semiconductor and VLSI design systems, IoT, automation in aerospace electronics, and even in defense like DRDO, ISRO, and railways. Anything you name, you have the job for electronics. Many ENTC graduates go on to work in AI, machine learning, data science, cybersecurity, automation, especially as the world gets more interconnected. Growth in electrical vehicles will drive demand for battery management systems, changing infrastructures and power electronics. India will witness widespread adoption of AIoT, that is artificial intelligence with IoT. Now coming to the part of electronics and computer engineering. It is a combination of electronics and computers, where more emphasis is given on core electronics such as embedded systems, digital systems, along with maximum software. The global semiconductor market is projected to be worth $1 trillion by 2030, and India is aiming to become a key player. Both are excellent choice, electronics and telecommunication, as well as electronics and computer. To conclude, I just want to say this, that the students, you are stepping into the world full of opportunities. Technology is changing rapidly, and you as future engineers will not just follow these changes but lead them. Choose your path wisely, stay curious, keep learning, don't be afraid to ask any questions or make mistakes. The world does not need just more engineers, but it needs thoughtful engineers who are built with a purpose. On behalf of entire institute, I would wish you a very happy and successful journey of engineering. Thank you.